Magnets attract to ferrous metals, and they also attract to each other. Because of their amazing properties, magnets can be extremely useful.
Magnets can make our lives safer, easier, and more convenient. However, magnets pull together exponentially harder the closer they get together. With this acceleration, all magnets, raw or in assemblies, can cause serious injury if proper safety precautions are not followed. Neodymium magnets are the strongest magnets in the world, and even small ones can jump together with great acceleration and slam together hard. Magnets repel each other when like poles come together. However, they can easily flip and quickly slam together.
Lack of concentration is the biggest cause of injury when you're handling magnets.
Always wear safety goggles when handling raw magnets and magnets and assemblies. When magnets collide with each other, they can chip or shatter. Magnet shrapnel can explode outward at high speeds. Protect your eyes. Wear safety goggles. Always wear gloves when handling magnets to prevent pinching, crushing, cuts, and blisters. Fingers can get caught between magnets, causing blood blisters or cuts. Always handle magnets with care. Larger magnets can crush fingers or break bones if they jump into metal or other magnets with your hand in the way. Wear gloves when dealing with broken magnets. They can be quite sharp. Treat them as carefully as broken pieces of glass. Never put a magnet in your mouth. When swallowed, magnets can cause extreme bodily harm and can result in death. Magnets, especially neodymium magnets, should be kept away from children and pets.
Be aware of the safety precautions for any magnet that you use, and never try stunts with magnets.
Be careful not to drop magnets. Alnico magnets can demagnetize. Neodymium magnets are more brittle than ceramic. However, both may chip or shatter. Metal filings that are collected by your magnet, even extremely small ones, can be very hazardous. They can work their way into your skin, causing pain and infection. Wear gloves or use a strong cloth to clean metal debris from your magnets.
Neodymium magnet powder is highly flammable and can spontaneously combust. Do not attempt to drill, sand, or machine alter neodymium magnets.
Magnets can have a dangerous effect on medical implants, such as pacemakers. Keep them away from each other. If you suffer from nickel allergies, be aware that alnico and neodymium magnets contain or are coated with nickel elements. Avoid long-term contact.
Keep your head in the game and follow the rules to keep yourself safe, so you can continue to enjoy the amazing benefits of magnets in your life.